Take bananas, peel them out and chop them into slices. Take a container and put those chopped slices of bananas in the container. Close the cap and you need to freeze this for 4 hours. After freezing 4 hours, take all those bananas and put them in the grinder. Take dairy milk, 4 chocolates of dairy milks. And break dairy milk chocolates and add them in the grinder. Take 5 tablespoons of Bonvita. Let's grind it now. Take the banana mixture and into a container and spread it equally. Close the cap. Freeze it for overnight. So all that making of this ice cream was so fun. I liked it. Now are you ready to see how the ice cream looks like? It's really tasty, but the look can be I feel like eating it, so we'll just have a tiny scoop. Looks so tasty. I get a taste of bananas, chocolates and Bonvita. Isn't that right? This just looks like chocolate ice cream. So tasty. And also friends, try this at your home also. You will really like this. Because it's so tasty. And also a little bit different because banana ice cream we only need bananas. But this need Bonvita and chocolate too. I love the ice cream. How about you? If you want to learn more about cooking and more things, you just need to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share it to others, like, comment, and also bye-bye.